Meanwhile, the focus continues to remain on the graft bills, and that is only escalating. The Congress is targeting the centre. The Congress is now alleging that this is nothing but a move to liquidate the entire opposition. So another flashpoint there brewing, with more attacks coming in from the Congress. Let's listen into the latest reactions.
By bringing this bill, the government clearly wants to create a legal framework to liquidate the opposition. That is the reason why we didn't participate. If anybody is involved or alleged to be involved in anything, he is innocent till he is proven guilty. If he is innocent till he is proven guilty, how can you remove him from the office? This is a very basic question with the law of the land he is asking today. So there was no meaning in discussing that bill. Earlier they made use of CBI, ED, IT to destabilize the government, to blackmail and threaten opposition leaders, which later many of them went and joined BJP.
दो बार आपके कुकर्मों की वजह से भारत की जनता ने आपको अल्पमत में ला दिया। आपकी सरकार नहीं बनी बहुत जगहों पे। तो भाजपा के जो कुकर्म है जनता ने नकार दिया है। ऐसे ऐसे सेक्शन हैं अपराध के जिनमें 3 महीने के पहले 6 महीने के पहले जमानत ही नहीं होगी। जो एजेंसीज है ना, जो आप जिनको चलाते हो, उनसे पहले मुकदमा कायम करा दो। जब वो 6 महीने बाद जमानत पे आएगा तब तक तो कुर्सी भी जा चुकी होगी, सरकार भी जा चुका होगा, बहुमत भी जा चुका होगा।
उनके एक केंद्रीय मंत्री जिस प्रकार फिजिकली टॉर्चर करने के लिए बिल में आ गए थे, तो क्या वो किस प्रकार के बिहेव थे, वो किस प्रकार संसदीय परंपराओं का निर्वहन कर रहे हैं? और ये पहली बार उन्होंने नहीं किया, दूसरी बार किया। तो क्या सरकार इसके लिए माफी मांगेगी? क्या हम सर्वोच्च सदन में अपनी बातों को भी नहीं रख पाए? और रही बात इस बिल का, तो एक बात मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगा। इलेक्शन कमीशन के माध्यम से जो लगातार राहुल जी भी कह रहे हैं कि इन्होंने वोट चोरी करने के माध्यम बनाया इलेक्शन कमीशन को, और इस बिल के माध्यम से सीधा सरकार चुराने का इन्होंने एक प्रयास करे, इसके माध्यम से वो सरकार चुराने की इनकी मंशा है। एक से पॉलिटिकल वेपन ना बनाए इसे।
Okay, so let me go back to Pragya. Pragya, you're seeing the kind of comments that are coming in. We saw the storm that happened yesterday. The government also accused some members of the opposition of resorting to absolutely aggressive and uncalled for behavior. We saw how papers were torn, the bill itself was torn, and it was, hurled when the bill was being introduced by the Union Home Minister. And now there is an attempt to fearmonger that this is nothing but a bid by the government to intimidate the opposition and to destabilize governments in opposition-ruled states.
Well, this is exactly what the opposition said, and in fact, they created the ruckus. The only issue that they created ruckus apart from SIR is introduction of this particular constitutional amendment bill. And not just that, TMC MPs went to the Treasury benches area and also tried to disrupt the speech of Mr. Amit Shah, who is Union Home Minister, and was also introducing the bill. There was ruckus, and it was not a pleasant sight in the House, I would say. And there were many school children who were also present in the galleries, and many of the ministers also said, this is the kind of the visual that they see in the Parliament. What is they going to learn from the Parliament? So opposition has every doubt on the intent of this bill, and they're saying that the government is trying to intimidate the opposition ruled state, and this is also to put the political pressure on these governments. Otherwise, they can always, getting the chief minister arrested. But they also forget that this will also have prime ministers under it, not just the prime minister, the whole cabinet is under it. So if in case there is ground charges and arrest and detention of prime minister, he too has to leave his post on 31st day. Right. That is also a provision that the government is saying that we also are putting ourselves in the dock. It is not just you as opposition ruled government. And government also said that why there is a need for this bill, why this need arose, because remember there was a time last year when 15th of August, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal was in prison and there was no one, very uncertainty as to who will hoist the flag. So you cannot just sit in the prison and run the government from there. And this is exactly what this bill ensures, that if you are arrested, if you are in prison, you cannot.
And these amendments are being brought, like the government says, to ensure the end of the jail se sarkar model. The RJ to Pragya is attacking the centre, and this time it is Tejasvi Yadav. Now remember, Tejasvi Yadav wants Rahul Gandhi to be the Prime Minister, and Tejasvi Yadav goes on to say that this is nothing but a bid to blackmail leaders, not just of the opposition, but also of the alliance partners in the NDA. Here's the latest attack from Tejasvi Yadav.
ये एक नया तरीका है लोगों को ब्लैकमेल करने का। तो जो ये कानून जो नया लाए हैं कि भाई 30 दिन तक अगर जेल में रहिएगा तो मुख्यमंत्री हो या केंद्र मंत्री का पद जो है स्वतः समाप्त हो जाएगा। तो ये कानून जो है स्पेशली शुरुआत कर रहे हैं चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी के लिए और नीतीश जी के लिए, जो है ब्लैकमेल करने के लिए, डराने के लिए ये कानून जो है लाया जा रहा है। तो दूसरी पार्टियों पे जो मजबूर होना पड़ गया, उसलिए ये तरकीब अमित शाह जी ने निकाला है। और ये कानून केवल शुरुआती तौर पर अगर देखा जाए तो नीतीश कुमार जी और चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी को ब्लैकमेल करने के लिए, डराने के लिए जो है लाया जा रहा है।
ये डराने के लिए लाया जा रहा है, but who exactly is fear mongering and spreading fear without facts? We're going to take you through some facts and contrast it with the claims that are being made by leaders of the opposition. You remember what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said yesterday. She said that this is nothing but an anti-constitutional and a completely draconian bill. But the fact remains that these amendments will need to pass two-thirds scrutiny in both Lok Sabha and also the Rajya Sabha. Let's take you through the other comments. Then it is also Sanjay Singh who cited the arrest of Satyendra Jain and also went on to say that, see, look, this is the government that goes after leaders in the opposition because Satyendra Jain was given a clean chit after his arrest. But the fact also remains that Satyendra Jain is still accused in a PMLA case that counters the claim made by the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's take you through what other leaders in the opposition are saying. Mamata Banerjee, in one of her most scathing criticism, had said that this is a bill that seeks to strip the judiciary of its constitutional role. But what are the facts? The facts go on to say that the judiciary is going to be the decision maker on extended custody of individuals. Then let's also take you through what others in the opposition are saying. Akhilesh Yadav said that this is reflective of a dictatorial mindset. So dictators across the world took such decisions, to which again it goes on to, the fact remains that the government has referred the bill to a joint committee seeking consultations from all sides. Then let's also tell you what others in the opposition have been saying. Like Asaduddin Owaisi says that the BJP wants to make the country a police state. But this is a bill that allows the reinstatement after release. That is also very clearly mentioned in the bill. So once again, AIMIM. So Asaduddin Owaisi says that this is a bid by the BJP to make the country a police state. His aide, Waris Pathan, what does he have to say? Let's play that out.
हम इन बिलों की पूरी तरह से मुखालिफत करते हैं कि ये पूरी तरह से संवैधानिक है, ड्रैकोनियन है और डेमोक्रेसी के खिलाफ है। ये थियरी ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर, ड्यू प्रोसेस का और जनता के पूरे पावर के खिलाफ वाला है। इस बिल ला के सरकार ये बताना चाहती है, ऐसा हमको लग रहा है कि पूरी तरह से तो पुलिस स्टेट बनाना चाहती है। किस तरह से आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि चलो अब जो सीबीआई, ईडी सबको आपने पावर दे दिया, अब वो तो किसी को अरेस्ट करेगा। और बीएनएसएस के भी अंदर और दूसरे भी कायदे के अंदर ऐसे प्रावधान है जिसमें आपको 30 दिन से ज्यादा रिमांड मिल सकती है। तो आपको 30 दिन से ज्यादा अगर कोर्ट ने रिमांड दे दिया तो आपकी तो सत्ता गई। ये बिल लाकर सरकार टारगेट करना चाह रही है विपक्ष पार्टियों को। सरकार की ये नीयत है कि भाई किसी भी तरह से सरकार गिराई जाए सरकारों को।
We're going to keep our focus on what's expected in Parliament today, but time now for us to take a short break. We'll be back with more news.